Hello, everyone, and welcome to Easy English Class. I'm Marco.
And I'm Erica. Today, we have 150 conversation questions and answers for you to practice.
Ready? Let's begin. Greetings and introductions. What is your name?
My name is Erica.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
What's your phone numbers?
It's 555-1234.
Where do you live?
I live in Toronto.
Can I have your email?
Yes, it's erica@email.com.
What's your last name?
My last name is Smith.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have children?
No, I don't have children.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and French.
How do you spell your name?
Erica.
Personal information. When is your birthday?
My birthday is June 15th.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What's your nationality?
I'm Canadian.
Are you a student?
No, I'm a teacher.
What's your address?
I live at 123 Main Street.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a small car.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your cat's name?
Her name is Luna.
Are you tall or short?
I'm average height.
What's your favorite number?
My favorite number is 7.
Do you wear glasses?
No, I don't wear glasses.
What's your shoe size?
My shoe size is 7.
Are you right-handed or left-handed?
I'm right-handed.
Daily routine. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and eggs.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
What do you do after work?
I go home and relax.
What time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 7 p.m.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise 3 times a week.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a shower every morning.
How long do you sleep?
I sleep for 8 hours.
Do you make your bed?
Yes, I make my bed every day.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and see friends.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook dinner every night.
How often do you clean your house?
I clean once a week.
Work and study. Where do you work?
I work at a school.
What's your job?
I'm an English teacher.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love my job.
How long have you worked there?
I've worked there for 3 years.
Do you work full-time?
Yes, I work full-time.
What days do you work?
I work Monday to Friday.
Do you have a boss?
Yes, my boss is very nice.
How many coworkers do you have?
I have about 20 coworkers.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't work on weekends.
What did you study?
I studied education in university.
Where did you go to school?
I went to Toronto University.
Are you looking for a job?
No, I already have a job.
Do you want to change jobs?
No, I'm happy here.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be a writer.
Do you have a lunch break?
Yes, I have 1 hour for lunch.
Family and friends? Do you have a big family?
No, I have a small family.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people.
Do you live with your parents?
No, I live alone.
Where do your parents live?
They live in Vancouver.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I'm single right now.
Do you see your family often?
Yes, I see them every month.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
How did you meet?
We met in university.
Do you have many friends?
I have a few close friends.
What do you do with friends?
We go to cafes and talk.
Is your brother older or younger?
He's younger than me.
What does your brother do?
He's a doctor.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes, my grandmother is still alive.
Do you have cousins?
Yes, I have 3 cousins.
Are you close to your family?
Yes, we're very close.
Hobbies and interests. What are your hobbies?
I like reading and cooking.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play tennis.
Can you play an instrument?
Yes, I play the piano.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and jazz.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love dancing.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Notebook.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV every evening.
What's your favorite TV show?
I like Friends.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read before bed.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Pride and Prejudice.
Do you like art?
Yes, I love visiting museums.
Can you draw or paint?
I can draw a little.
Do you play video games?
No, I don't play video games.
Do you like photography?
Yes, I take photos on my phone.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch movies and read.
Food and drink. What's your favorite food?
I love pasta.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
Can you cook?
Yes, I'm a good cook.
What can you cook?
I can make Italian food.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy food.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, I drink green tea.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I eat chicken and fish.
Are you vegetarian?
No, I'm not vegetarian.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I eat vegetables every day.
What's your favorite restaurant?
I like the Italian restaurant downtown.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love chocolate ice cream.
How often do you eat out?
I eat out once a week.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes, but not often.
Travel and places?
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where have you traveled?
I've been to Europe and Asia.
What's your favorite country?
My favorite country is Italy.
Have you been to America?
Yes, I've been to New York.
Where do you want to go next?
I want to go to Japan.
Do you prefer the beach or mountains?
I prefer the beach.
Have you been on a plane?
Yes, many times.
Do you like flying?
Yes, but I get a little nervous.
What city do you live in?
I live in Toronto.
Is your city big or small?
It's a big city.
Do you like your city?
Yes, I love it here.
What's the best place you've visited?
Paris was amazing.
Do you speak other languages?
Yes, I speak French.
Would you like to live abroad?
Maybe for a year or two.
What's your dream destination?
I dream of visiting Australia. Shopping and everyday life.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping for clothes.
Where do you usually shop?
I shop at the mall.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a month.
Do you shop online?
Yes, I buy books online.
What's your favorite store?
I like H&M.
Do you have a bank account?
Yes, I have an account.
Do you use credit cards?
Yes, I have one credit card.
Do you save money?
Yes, I try to save every month.
What do you spend money on?
I spend money on food and books.
How do you pay for things?
I usually pay with my card.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I have an iPhone.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram.
How often do you check your phone?
I check it many times a day.
Do you watch YouTube?
Yes, I watch videos every day.
What do you do on the internet?
I read news and watch videos. Feelings and health.
How do you feel today?
I feel great today.
Are you tired?
No, I'm full of energy.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm very happy.
Do you feel stressed?
Sometimes, but not today.
Are you healthy?
Yes, I'm very healthy.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you eat healthy food?
I try to eat healthy.
How much water do you drink?
I drink about 8 glasses a day.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep very well.
Are you sick?
No, I'm not sick.
Do you have allergies?
No, I don't have allergies.
Have you been to the doctor recently?
Yes, I had a checkup last month.
Do you take any medicine?
No, I don't take medicine.
Are you nervous about anything?
No, I feel calm.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with friends makes me happy.
And that's 150 questions. Great job, everyone.
Practice these questions every day, and your English will improve so much.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.